hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nia, and on this channel we do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and all the vibes, but today's video is slightly different. Alright guys, as I said, today's video is slightly different. I am doing a helpful video today. I am going to help you guys gain followers on Instagram literally overnight. So easy. 50, 100, 25, whatever it is that you are looking for. I am going to show you how you can do that like so easily. You don't have to pay money. I don't really take Instagram that seriously, so I don't have that many followers, but I know this works and I have helped other people get followers on Instagram by doing this, but I'm just too lazy and I'm not too concerned with it. But if you're looking to like hit a goal, you want 1,000 followers, you want 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, whatever, you just want to hit that goal, that mark, or whatever it may be, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So basically, let me screen record my screen for you guys. Here we go. Here is my profile. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just honestly find a random influencer. Let's see, this girl's beautiful. How many followers does she have? 5,000. Okay, so she has a pretty good amount of followers. I only do this for girls because I don't want just boys coming to my page thinking that I like them. So be careful, you guys. That's not the vibes. I don't want boys thinking that I'm like liking all their pictures for them to come talk to me. We're not doing that. So I only do girls. Basically, I find a girl who has a public account. Then I go through and I like her pictures, just random pictures. And usually it's good to find people that follow a lot of people because then they'll follow you. But if you find somebody who only follows like 20 people, then chances are they're not going to follow you just by liking their pictures because they take IG too seriously like you do. So you want to find people that are kind of just like on IG just to hang out, just for the vibes, you know? Alright you guys, editing me here. Not me realizing this makes no sense if you don't know what I'm talking about. So basically what I'm trying to say is you want to go to either an influencer's page or a celebrity's page, or honestly like a micro influencer, somebody who has like a good amount of followers, and you want to go find somebody in their followers list who has a public page and who follows a good amount of people. So you want them to have like follow quite a few people, not like, it doesn't have to be like 1 million, but their ratio has to be kind of like a normal person's ratio, not someone who's clearly trying to be an Instagram model. So if they have 1,000 followers, then they follow 900 people. You know, they have a hefty amount of people that they follow compared to the amount of people that follow them, if that makes sense. So you want to go to their page and like their pictures, because if you see that the type of person who follows people, like a lot of people, then they may follow you if they like what you post. So you'll want to like their pictures because it will grab their attention. And then once you've done that, go back to the original influencer's page that you were on, and then find a new profile on that page. Do the exact same thing, like their pictures, and then go back and do the same thing. Keep finding new people. And what I was trying to say later on is you can keep going in. If you find a person's page, you like their pictures, you can go to the people that follow that person, because it's an even smaller group and even like smaller crevice of Instagram that you wouldn't have even been on before, and go find people who follow them, and then you can also like their pictures too. So it's basically just grabbing the attention from people that wouldn't have noticed you before or wouldn't have ever come across your profile to even know that they like your content. You know what I mean? Hopefully this makes sense. I keep saying this girl has quite a few followers for the girls that I'm clicking on. I mean that they follow quite a few people. The amount of people that they have following them doesn't matter. It's the amount of people that they follow. Like I said before, you want them to have a ratio where they follow a lot of people. That way they'll follow you. That girl, I liked her pictures. Where did she go? She's over here. So now that I found this is like very like, you'll realize what I'm talking about later. You'll get the hang of it. But now that I found this beautiful woman's profile, I'm going to go to her followers because people follow her and she follows a lot of people. So let's see. We're going to go through her followers. Here's another girl who follows quite a few people. Like her pictures just randomly. Next account. You can even go deeper into that account because she has quite a few followers as well. And then go in here. This girl has quite a few followers. Like her pictures. She's so cute. Love that pink dress. Come on, outfit. She's cute. Okay, same thing over here. Follows a lot of people. 1,000 plus is good to look at. Again, she is beautiful. Look at that skin. Ooh, girl. Okay, like her pictures. So cute. Now you're just gonna literally keep doing that. You can do this for actually hours on end. And if you like, this is gonna sound crazy, but if you go to 200 different people's profiles, like their pictures, then by the end of it, when you wake up tomorrow, you should have like 25 or 50 new followers. So it does take time and effort, but you can also, you don't have to like, you can go and you can comment, like, let's see. Oh my gosh, heart eyes, right? Comment. So you can do that as well. And what it's gonna do is people who wouldn't typically see your Instagram on Explore page, or they're not in your area, they're not in your friend group, like there's no reason you would be connected into their algorithm of Instagram. You now have infiltrated. You know what I mean? You now have infiltrated because you're gonna go like their pictures. If they follow you, now their followers have a chance of seeing you as well because you've now gotten into their algorithm. But beforehand, they had no idea that you existed. Their side of Instagram had no clue that you existed, especially if you're a smaller influencer or just a smaller Instagram page. They have no idea you exist. So what you need to do in order to gain these followers and maybe get on their Explore page, maybe get other people to follow you, is to go over there and get their attention. You want to grab their attention, like their pictures, maybe leave a comment. But yes, you'll infiltrate into their IG algorithm and you'll somehow get in the mix, and now you're being popped up to other people on Instagram that never knew that you were there. And that's it, you guys. You'll wake up the next morning with, I guarantee you, followers. It just depends on how often you do this, how long you're willing to invest in this. Like if you really take it seriously, then you will definitely get payout from it. But also you have to understand that you have to do this to people who would like the content that you post. If you don't post content that they're going to enjoy, then you're just liking their pictures for no reason because they're not into it, it's not their vibe. So try to make sure that you are finding people who either look similar to you and going to their followers, or post similar content and then go to their followers, because you know that they'll be interested in what you're doing. So you guys, that is a really short video, but I know that it's going to be helpful for at least one person. If you're interested in growing your Instagram, it'll be extremely helpful to you, trust me. And yeah, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed. Happy December. I'm so excited. I will be posting a new video every single day for the month of December. I won't be doing Vlogmas. There will be some vlogs, but I won't be doing a dedicated Vlogmas because you guys don't really know me yet, so like vlogs are kind of like, don't really make sense. I want to give you guys content that you can either learn from, entertainment, and there will be some vlogs in there, but maybe we'll wait till next year when I have a little bit more subscribers to do a full-on like month-long Vlogmas. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you learned something, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!